Hi everyone, welcome to Tower of Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about AUKUS and Quad. In this video, we are more focused on the difference between AUKUS and Quad. AUKUS and Quad is a very important organization as far as international relationship is concerned. Let's move on the topic. What is Quad? Quad is a informal quadrilateral dialogue between India, USA, Japan and Australia. So here, this is important keyword is that informal quadrilateral relationship between these four countries. You can see a map over here. From the map, we can understand the places. This is India, this is Japan, this is USA, this is Australia. So from the map itself, we can understand it is more focusing on Indo-Pacific region. This is more focusing on Indo-Pacific region. Another one is AUKUS. AUKUS is for A for Australia, UK for United Kingdom, US for United States of America. These are the three countries. So AUKUS is a trilateral security pact between Australia, United Kingdom and United States. You can see a map over here. This is USA, this is UK and this is Australia. It is more focusing on Pacific region. This is more focusing on Pacific region. Okay. For getting more clarity, let's have a look into what Defense Pact is. Defense Pact is a type of treaty or military alliance in which the signatories promise to support each other militarily and to defend each other. That is first point. That is every countries of that organization promise to support each other militarily and to defend each other. Another point is that the military alliance is a formal agreement between the nations concerning their national security. So first one is they support each other militarily. The another one is it's a formal agreement between the nations concerning their national security. So another point is that nations in a military alliance agree to active participation and contribution to the defense of others in the military, in the alliance, in the event of a crisis. So here, every countries agree to active participation and contribution to the defense of others in the alliance in the event of a crisis. That there is a transfer of technology between the nations to enhance their security cooperation, to enhance their national security, to step up their defense cooperation. So that's why these three countries coming together and form an organization called AUKUS. So AUKUS is a defense pact that we have to understand from this point. So AUKUS is a defense and a military initiative between these three countries, that is Australia, UK and the United States of America, to step up their security cooperation, to enhance their security cooperation in the Pacific region. That is why they signed the Security Pact. So in this initiative, US has proposed the transfer of nuclear submarine technology to Australia to strengthen its naval capability. Already we discussed it in a security pact, all the signatories or all the member countries promise to support each other militarily, or they agree to transfer of technology or active participation. That's why here US has proposed the transfer of nuclear submarine technology to Australia to strengthen its naval capability. That is, you have to remember here, and to deepen existing close relationship between US, UK and Australia. UK and USA have been enjoying nuclear relations since World War era. By AUKUS, these three countries introducing their main objective is that by AUKUS, these three countries introducing nuclear element to improve military relationship. That is, you have to understand here. That is why they formed AUKUS. By exchanging their technology or introducing nuclear element, they can improve their military relationship in the Pacific region, or they can step up their security cooperation in the Pacific region, or they can strengthen their naval capability. That's why AUKUS is formed. Quad is informal quadrilateral grouping. Informal quadrilateral grouping, or we can say it's a diplomatic, strategic and economic grouping in Indo-Pacific region. So it's only informal quadrilateral grouping. That means it's only focusing on diplomatic, strategic and economic grouping in Indo-Pacific region. There is no military grouping. There is no military bloc in Indo-Pacific region. Since Quad has been envisioned, it has been viewed as the counter to China, but it never take the shape of military grouping. So this is not a military grouping. Quad is not a military grouping. It's only informal quadrilateral dialogue partnership between these four countries. Even though Quad members take part in military exercises like Malabar and naval exercise, the Quad never had the mandate that to step up their defense cooperation. That is, we have to understand from here. In the case of AUKUS, the aim of AUKUS is that to step up their defense cooperation. But in the case of Quad, there is no mandate that to step up their defense cooperation or to create any military bloc in Indo-Pacific region. It is solely a dialogue partnership to enhance their diplomatic, strategic, and economic relations between these countries, and also to counter Chinese aggression in Indo-Pacific region, or to counter strategic and economic domination of China in the Indo-Pacific region. That is why Quad is formed. So Quad is an informal meeting. That's why at the same time AUKUS is a formal meeting or is a security pact between these three countries. Quad is an informal quadrilateral grouping between four countries. Quad is more focused on Indo-Pacific region. AUKUS is focused on Pacific region. Quad, there is no mandate to step up the defense cooperation. But in the case of AUKUS, is only to step up their defense cooperation or security cooperation in the Pacific region. Here it is only focusing on diplomatic, strategic, and economic grouping in Indo-Pacific region to counter Chinese aggression. Okay. I hope everyone has understood this video. Please comment, please like and share. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.